Welcome to Mwaki Insights. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most pivotal geopolitical developments of 2024, the Power of Siberia Two pipeline, an ambitious $13 billion project linking Russia, China, and Mongolia. But what does Mongolia's recent move mean for this mega deal? Stay tuned to find out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on critical global events shaping our future. In the heart of Eurasia, a massive infrastructure project is taking shape, one with the potential to reshape the global energy landscape. This project, known as the Power of Siberia Two, is not just a pipeline, it is a symbol of the shifting tides in global energy politics and economic strategies. The Power of Siberia Two pipeline, a proposed 2,600-kilometer gas artery, promises to connect Russia's vast Siberian gas fields to China's ever-growing energy market. This connection is poised to become a critical lifeline for both nations, ensuring a steady flow of energy resources and fostering economic interdependence. This ambitious project carries enormous geopolitical and economic implications, signaling a potential shift in global power dynamics. As the world watches, the pipeline could redefine alliances and rivalries, influencing the balance of power in ways that are yet to be fully understood. The pipeline's significance extends far beyond mere energy transportation. It is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess, showcasing the ability to overcome geographical and political challenges to achieve a common goal. It represents a deepening alliance between Russia and China, two countries increasingly at odds with the West. This partnership is not just about energy, it is about creating a new axis of power that could challenge the existing global order. For Russia, the pipeline offers a lifeline amidst crippling Western sanctions, providing a crucial market for its vast energy resources. This project is a strategic move to diversify its energy exports and reduce its economic vulnerability. China, on the other hand, seeks to secure its energy future and reduce its reliance on volatile global markets. By tapping into Russian gas, China aims to stabilize its energy supply and support its rapid industrial growth. Caught in the middle of this geopolitical tug-of-war is Mongolia. This landlocked nation finds itself at a crossroads, balancing its economic interests with its strategic autonomy. The pipeline's route through Mongolia could bring economic benefits but also geopolitical risks. This landlocked nation finds itself at a crossroads, balancing its economic interests with its strategic autonomy. Mongolia's decision to participate in the project could lead to significant infrastructure development and economic growth, but it must carefully navigate the complex political landscape. The Power of Siberia Two pipeline is not just an engineering feat, it's a litmus test for the future of international relations in a rapidly changing world. The project's success or failure will be a barometer for the evolving dynamics of global diplomacy and economic cooperation. The decisions made by these three countries, Russia, China, and Mongolia, regarding the pipeline will have far-reaching consequences. Their choices will influence not only their own futures, but also the broader geopolitical landscape. They will impact global energy markets, influence the trajectory of geopolitical alliances, and shape the environmental future of the region. The environmental considerations are particularly crucial as the pipeline traverses ecologically sensitive areas. The world is watching closely as this high-stakes energy drama unfolds. The Power of Siberia Two pipeline is more than just a conduit for gas. It is a symbol of the interconnectedness of our world and the complex interplay of energy, politics, and economics. The Power of Siberia Two pipeline is not just a concept, it's a concrete project with impressive technical specifications. This ambitious endeavor is designed to meet the growing energy demands of China while leveraging Russia's vast natural gas reserves. The pipeline's construction involves cutting-edge technology and meticulous planning to ensure efficiency and safety. Once completed, this engineering marvel will transport up to 50 billion cubic meters of natural gas annually from Russia to China. This substantial volume of gas will play a crucial role in powering industries, homes, and businesses across China, providing a stable and reliable energy source. This amount is roughly equivalent to the current capacity of the Nord Stream 1 pipeline, which previously supplied gas to Europe. The comparison highlights the scale and significance of the Power of Siberia Two pipeline, positioning it as a key player in the global energy landscape. The pipeline's route is strategically significant, It not only connects two major economic powers, but also traverses regions that are critical for geopolitical stability and economic development. The careful planning of the route ensures minimal environmental impact while maximizing economic benefits. It traverses through the heart of Mongolia, connecting Russia's gas fields in western Siberia to China's energy-hungry industrial centers in the east. This route through Mongolia is not just a geographical choice, but a strategic one, fostering stronger ties and cooperation between the three nations involved. This direct route offers a shorter and more cost-effective alternative to the existing Power of Siberia One pipeline, which follows a more northerly route. The efficiency of this new route translates to lower transportation costs and faster delivery times, benefiting both suppliers and consumers. The construction of the pipeline is a massive undertaking, requiring billions of dollars in investment and years of work. The scale of the project necessitates collaboration between numerous stakeholders, including governments, private companies, and local communities. It involves laying thousands of kilometers of pipeline through challenging terrain, including mountains, rivers, and permafrost. Each segment of the pipeline presents unique engineering challenges that must be overcome to ensure the project's success. The project's sheer scale underscores the commitment of both Russia and China to its completion. This collaboration is a testament to the strong bilateral relationship and mutual economic interests of the two nations. The Power of Siberia Two pipeline is expected to become operational in the coming years, marking a significant milestone in the energy relationship between Russia and China. The timeline for completion is closely monitored to ensure that the project stays on track and meets its ambitious goals. It will provide a reliable and secure source of natural gas for China, fueling its economic growth and supporting its transition to a lower carbon future. The availability of natural gas will help China reduce its reliance on coal, thereby decreasing greenhouse gas emissions and improving air quality. For Russia, the pipeline represents a major economic opportunity and a strategic foothold in the rapidly growing Asian energy market. The increased export capacity will boost Russia's economy, create jobs, and strengthen its position as a leading global energy supplier. Mongolia, nestled between the giants of Russia and China, finds itself in a delicate geopolitical position. The country's unique location has always been both a blessing and a challenge, shaping its foreign policy and economic strategies. The proposed route of the Power of Siberia Two pipeline, cutting directly through its territory, presents both opportunities and challenges. This ambitious project aims to transport natural gas from Russia to China, with Mongolia serving as a crucial transit point. On the one hand, the pipeline promises economic benefits, including transit fees and potential access to a new source of natural gas. These benefits could significantly boost Mongolia's economy, providing much-needed revenue and energy resources. On the other hand, Mongolia is wary of becoming overly reliant on either of its powerful neighbors. The country has a history of maintaining a careful balance in its foreign relations, striving to avoid overdependence on any single nation. There are concerns about environmental impacts, potential damage to nomadic herding routes, and the risk of becoming entangled in geopolitical disputes. Mongolia's vast and pristine landscapes are home to traditional nomadic communities whose way of life could be disrupted by the pipeline construction. This complex equation has led to a cautious approach from Mongolia. The government is carefully weighing the potential economic gains against the possible social and environmental costs. In a significant development, Mongolia recently decided to exclude the Power of Siberia Two pipeline from its national development plan. This decision was not made lightly and reflects a deep consideration of the various factors at play. This decision reflects the government's desire to prioritize environmental protection and carefully assess the potential risks and benefits of the project. Mongolia's leadership is keenly aware of the importance of preserving the country's natural heritage for future generations. Mongolia is seeking assurances from both Russia and China regarding environmental safeguards, economic benefits, and respect for its sovereignty. These negotiations are crucial for ensuring that Mongolia's interests are protected in any future agreements. Mongolia's cautious stance highlights the delicate balancing act it must perform in navigating the complex geopolitical dynamics of the region. The country is constantly striving to maintain its independence and sovereignty while fostering beneficial relationships with its powerful neighbors. The country is determined to pursue its own national interests while maintaining good relations with both Russia and China. This dual approach is essential for Mongolia's long-term stability and prosperity. the Power of Siberia Two pipeline has become a focal point of this delicate balancing act, with Mongolia's decisions likely to have significant implications for the project's future. The outcome of this situation will be closely watched by international observers, as it could set a precedent for how smaller nations navigate relationships with larger powers. The Power of Siberia Two pipeline is a cornerstone of Russia's broader strategic pivot towards Asia. Facing increasing isolation from the West due to sanctions and geopolitical tensions, Russia is seeking new markets for its vast energy resources and forging stronger partnerships in the East. China, with its insatiable appetite for energy, represents the ideal partner for Russia in this endeavor. The pipeline's significance for Russia extends beyond mere economic gains. It symbolizes a deepening strategic alliance with China, creating a counterweight to Western influence. By securing a long-term energy partnership with China, Russia aims to reduce its dependence on European markets and strengthen its position in the emerging multipolar world order. The Power of Siberia Two pipeline is a key component of this eastward shift, providing Russia with a reliable revenue stream and strengthening its ties with China. The pipeline project has taken on even greater importance for Russia in light of the ongoing conflict in Ukraine and the subsequent sanctions imposed by the West. It represents a lifeline for the Russian economy, providing a crucial outlet for its energy exports. Russia views the pipeline as a strategic asset, a tangible symbol of its growing influence in Asia. The Kremlin is actively promoting the project, highlighting its economic benefits for both Russia and China, and emphasizing the importance of energy cooperation in fostering closer ties between the two countries. So what's next for the Power of Siberia Two? Mongolia's decision has thrown the future of the pipeline into question, but Russia remains committed to seeing it through. As global markets fluctuate and geopolitical tensions rise, all eyes will be on China's next move. Will Beijing commit to the deal, or will Mongolia's hesitation slow the project indefinitely? In the coming months, the fate of this pipeline could shape energy markets, global politics, and the very balance of power in the 21st century. Stay tuned to MWAC Insights for further updates on this story. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like and subscribe to MWAC Insights for more deep dives into the world's most critical geopolitical developments. See you in the next one.